Chapter 31 Sri Sai Churcha Passing of Baba and Presence of Sannyasi Vijay Anand Balramankar Darshananka Mega and Tiger. In the surveying ambition passing a certain persons and Tiger and Presence preliminary. The last verse was a mention of order determines Sri Krishna said in the Gita, four removals in the last mention, the conversion of who meditators of the residents to look for. We cannot certainly particular the last moment of time. To reflect many causes, signs, a constant business and for fixed mind, relation, loss on all sense, therefore, recognition, remember the God, scientists never present at the time, the devotees complete surrender, fully believing on the saint, the last moment success because we noted Vijayananta. Here, materialization Vijayana started improving once over and wrote, hearing Baba from stronger studying Matya Samuel Swami hardware and Kadapati Kadapasa once over. The song was on 500 pounds above Gampatra described road as difficult, plenty of snow, so change of light of different. Because as well as minus trouble out of population. Upon elevation of digital cancel the related to Sai Baba portion Baba embraces a drive out useless sannyasi. His company now with the sannyasi plan he felt uncontrollably with the watching things during the Baba being a shower, they said Baba was watching with some water and all instant or stretching the Peter. All doesn't get for recently. So Baba encouraged me to all of affection of Baba, but not late most after being studied for his interest and letter from Madras against quite well. He very well deserted wanted to but we could not with Baba, so he took the letters of Baba asking the Muslim the procedure. He failed audio mother, why did it take sannyasa? For us, an attachment becomes a grab. Go on set quietly, you're lodging with wait a few days. In whatever if your robbers, Walter doors very diligent, the thieves will carry everything, will control, transfer everybody. DK and like knowing this, your attachment to things. He got to surrender himself to the feet to become free and all to bat in bliss. The Lord runs himself with the meditation, your stories past my consider the not and what is your release end of your life being desperate. Study Bhagavad, do 3 saptas, 8 readings weekly. The Lord will please with your destroy sorrows in religion and find and peace. Seeing that is ending crossing Baba, Praskad reading when enter Ramajavasos, please, God of death. The next morning, after bathing, beautifying the ritual, commenced to read Bhagavad and setting he completed to and therefore quite excited returned to Vada, understand the laws on the third day. He greeted the last one Fakir Baba, like Baba asked the people to put their body very for good reasons and broken news. On this post, Baba it was buried in the forest also to do rights with Baba help science. And ancient Sarvate Balramankar. There was a household devotee of Baba named Balram. When he was passed away, he began disinterested in the household. Son left home, came to study with Baba. Being blessed with this, Baba wanted to give to good on his life with Baba gave him 12 rupees asked him to go distress of the market and believe Baba, but Baba convinced him, giving the best course of meditation, believing the Baba Vatsmankar wants to be please tell lovely surroundings the ways of your arduously practice the meditation recommendation by Baba. After a few days, he had a revelation. Generally, Bhakta soldiers almost, but had an confidence or in a question when Baba separated in person did not mention this why Baba Santo. Study many thoughts, ideas, began to rise in a wide interest. Body was in the steady body composed of 5 elements of 3 cups. Now you can see determine yourself for persons. He's in the steady. In this next scientific. I'm reading it again. After a few days, he had a revelation. Generally, Bhaktas revelation Samadhi or transcendental mantra. But in the mantra, he added one came down the Samadhi concept from his Baba appeared in his person, not only Muslim but also asked Baba why you are sent to God. Baba realized many thoughts and ideas in the mind, such into your essential mind. So, first into your body composed of elements of 3 offerings and not outside of it. Now you can determine yourself whether the person you see your moment is the same as yesterday. So this is unfair. Then after Bedasar, one left the God and proceeded to the replacement. They began to travel by Kumbandana. When I entered booking of ticket, we found quite courage just from thinking. A villager was humbly on a soldier travel where you are doing to the other. The stranger, please take this other amount of money. Asya of Arjun will listen to cancel the other. Manka was very glad to receive the ticket and was from making When released in the crowd, the man structure in the road now he waited until return. No trace of him. The second revelation of the stranger in the afternoon celebration. Representation with Baba always followed his building and was in the end very fortunately the interest himself for Baba blessing. National Nolkar Hemvadan was particularly guiding Tamil to accept the mention the later posterity. Brick Samurai Konda appears in the Soil magazine given. Taisha was a subject of Hollywood National Malder bought more often examined discussion did not believe in saint. While Nana Shahid loved them, Nana Shahid recounted Sai Baba. Yes, my Shahid finally agreed to condition he must get a crown power to Nagpur presentation to condition to me. The Brahmin ignorance and service and the fruit parcel under 100 considering the beginning as a chance to go to study the one person but on the research section also convinced Baba and good news was sent to Baba on side and his death is approaching start literature. Blaster Baba Takaru getting drinking Baba, hearing this death about and he won't reborn. Mega, the story of Mega already screenshot of Mega was followed person Baba Akamanjana showing the Mega body after opens from the tears followed. Baba's Mega and mortal Baba showed the overcome body problem in the machine the Baba Alpha. Many sins have been given the solution number to Baba Greatness. And Tiger Baba for instance the story will be narrated. Tiger, the 7 days Baba passed away. A wonderful incident happens to take counter to solution once the tiger was about passing 9 chains. It was very suffering the pain. He was taking place to one exam, but most to suffering the tried also to maybe, but no way suffering, but in the had a Baba of young into the chains made it understand for the nature for the realization one relentless people look at the fear. The devotional Baba told her about anything. His constant before me asked Tiger of presence was that it was taken by Baba also. It hung its head and its Baba it was unfortunately moved to move top against the ground. Then fell down senseless, saying that the separate desert or awful mightly told the can release the animals are digest and mating. Last